Hey, welcome back to TVL Designs. Today I am doing a couple of Dollar Tree items. I decided to break my videos up because I don't want to be too long. But anyway, another thing I decided to get was some saltines. Yeah, they probably aren't the best. The expiration date on these, believe it or not, are March the 30th of 2023. So with that being said, I have plenty of shelf time on these saltines. I think I got 3 of them. And more than likely, I'll go to another store and probably see what's the date on the other ones that they have. And I might get me some more. I'm not sure. But I got these. I have to put these up because they'll get eaten up like candy. So I got these because a couple weeks ago, when I was out hitting those Instacart streets, I got an opportunity to really see what type of items were just like wiped out. So one of these is one of the items that I saw that for a few weeks or so they struggled to keep in stock. So if you have a location, Dollar Tree, I think Dollar Tree is a great option to go ahead and get some of those things that you need. It is kind of frustrating going in there because it's normally one register open, especially if you go early in the morning. But I did it and I didn't care. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. Get y'all saltines, put them on the shelf. It is what it is.